Good morning, dear students. As we have seen in the previous video, in accounts first chapter, single entry system, that first two 5-mark level sums, I think 17th and 18th, where we prepared some ledger accounts to get some informations which are missing. I mean total debtors and total creditors. Total debtors and total creditors. So that we got the needed informations. I mean credit sales, credit purchases, something. And today in this video we are going to see the rest of other two sums. So as usual, what I already advised just before doing, give one glance. Once you read the sum, you may get some idea what are all given here, and from that what we need to prepare. Total sales irukka, purchases irukka, cash balance irukka, idella irunchna, then appo what is not available, how to get this. Like that we may come to some idea. Therefore, let me now just read this sum. Arun carries on hardware business and does not keep his books on double entry basis. The following particulars have been extracted from his book. Date 31st 12/17 previous year, 31st 12/18 current year. For that current year 18 only we are preparing accounts, final accounts. Okay, got. Then land and building 240 and 240, okay. Stock and trade 120 and 170. Debtors 40 and 51 500. Creditors 50 and 45. And cash at bank 30 and 53. Then come down. Wages 65, carriage out, sundry expenses, cash paid to creditors, drawings. Okay. Then total sales during the year. Oh, total sales கொடுத்துட்டான். அப்போ we no need to prepare total debtors account. Okay, keep in mind one. So ஒரு ஒர்க்கு நமக்கு மிச்சம். Then second, purchase returns during the year were 30,000 and sales return. Oh, purchase பற்றி எந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸ் கொடுக்கல. So we need to prepare, we have to prepare total creditors account to get purchases. Just confirm in mind, keep in mind. Then depreciate land and building as usual 5%, provide 1,500 for doubtful debts, that also as usual. Then prepare trading P&L account for the year ending 31st December 18 and balance it as on the date. So here what we need credit purchases, so that we have to prepare total creditors account 1. And unless the previous yesterday's sums, here that opening capital is not given. So from the opening, see up 31st 12/17, from these particulars we have to prepare opening statement of affairs to get opening capital. Okay, that's all. After that, then trading P&L balance sheet as usual. So we'll start now. See here, first let me open this 31st 12/17 statement of affairs. We are going to get opening capital. Shall we go ma? See, land and building, stock, debtors, creditors, idellam creditors. Yes, that alone liability and other cash at bank. Other 4 items assets. See here ma. As usual in the books of Arun Adikuttama, statement of affairs as on 31st 12/17, land and building, stock, debtors, cash at bank. And liability creditors as usual. இதை ஃபுல்லாக பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 430 asset side, liability side only 50 only creditors. Therefore minus 50 போது automatically 380 as opening capital balance figure. That is over. Okay ba? Next we have to prepare total creditors lama. So that where is the creditors? That 50 is opening and 45 is closing. Therefore, as we taught already, creditors account always begins with the opening balance by balance brought down. So this 50 will come in credit side by balance brought down, and the 45 debit side at the end two balance carried down. போட்டுக்கணும் பாருங்க. Creditors by balance brought down 50 and two balance carried down 45. Then other two items, see, cash paid to creditors, it will go to debit side, and similarly here where the purchase return படிச்சோம், purchase return during the year were 30,000. So the 6 lakhs and 30,000 portion debit side for two cash 30,000 and two cash 6 lakhs and two purchase return 30,000. That's all this posting. If you balance this, debit side seems more automatically 675 and credit side only one opening balance. So 675 minus 50, 625 is credit purchases. That's all. Okay ma, both the informations what we got by preparing these two accounts. Then that's quite easy. Next, proceed final accounts. Give the title as usual in the first page ma, trading P&L account of for the year ended 31st December 18, and the next page ma balance it. Okay, now as usual, just from the top beginning itself going to teach now where this item is supposed to go, so that we are preparing accounts for 31st to 18 girnala going to take only the second value. Okay, then therefore land and building 2,40,000, that will go to asset side, and also depreciation charge பண்ண சொல்லிக்கலாம், 5% put in inner column. See, balance sheet asset side land and building 240, yeah, inner column போட்டோமா, good. Then second, stock and trade, this 120 is opening and 170 is closing. As you know very well, 120 will go to trading first top. Trading account always begins with two opening stock and ends with by closing stock. Again that closing stock will come down once more in asset side, not in mine. Therefore see here my answer. See, two opening stock 120 and credit side by closing stock 170. This 170 again once more in asset. Enga closing stock 170. Okay, do you understand ma? Good. Now debtors, here after 17th information we don't want, leave it. Then debtors ma 51,500 asset side and creditors 45 liability and cash at bank 53 asset. Debtors வந்து provision for doubtful debts இங்க படிச்சோம், அதனால that to be shown in inner column. Okay va, self see ma asset side la see here debtors 51,500 காமிச்சாச்சா, then cash at bank 53, then creditors here separately 45. Okay, then we posted the first informations fully. Now shall we go to second part ma, other informations what is given here. Come, see, wages, that alone only, and carriage outward sundry expenses, that to P&L account item. So first wages 60,000 trading account item. See here below purchases, ஏனா purchase நமக்கு தெரியும், that and all way of posting we know very well, அதனால we post in the column, leave it. Then after leaving 2-3 lines, then two wages. Okay, then carriage outward and sundry expenses P&L debit. Okay, we posted. Then carriage outward and sundry expenses P&L debit we posted. Cash paid to creditors will not come. Then drawings, drawings will come in left side. Oh, before that left side la capital கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்லமா, the opening statement of face photo capital கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்ல, how much capital we got? 380. See that 380 now posted in left side of balance sheet. Then capital போட்டுமா, ஒரு 2-3 lines விட்டு less drawings 10,000. இப்போ இந்த calculation நம்ம பண்ணல, leave it as usual. The way of doing, listen ma, just from at this moment we know the capital this much 380 and drawings given there. Therefore in middle we need to add net profit or loss, so that we left 2-3 lines. Then third or fourth line less drawings 10,000 போட்டு அப்படியே விட்டுறோம். Okay, come. இப்போ these two items all we posted. Again some others, the last paragraph is given, total sales during the year 770. So automatically will go to trading account credit side. And purchase return, first purchases கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்லமா, அது below opening stock we post it now, and purchase return sales returns to be subtracted. See here ma, trading account la Two purchases 625, where we got this one. See, total creditors we got 625. Then less purchase return, therefore 595. Similarly, sales 770 less sales return 25. The balance transfer to outer column 745. Okay, good. Then depreciate land and building 5% and doubtful debts 1500. Land and building இங்க பாருங்க, land and building less 5%. Depreciation 12,000, 240 minus 12, 228. Then debtors less provision for bad and doubtful debts 1500. Therefore 51,500 minus 1,005 equal to 50,000. Then again these two items to be posted on debit side of P&L account. See, bad and doubtful debts 1500, depreciation on land and building 12,000. That's all. So that we finished posting everything. Okay, ma? Just as we know very well where the particular item will go. The suppose debited or creditor or posted liability or asset, we are very thorough. So just as per that instructions we all posted. Now just mere balancing. How to balance? Balancing as usual. Then see, come to trading account first part. As usual, credit side seems more. So 745 plus 170, 915. இதே 915 டெபிட்டில் போட்டுக்கிறீங்க. அண்ட் 120 595 ப்ளஸ் 65 இது 3 ஆட் பண்ணி லெஸ் பண்ணால் யூ வில் கெட் 135 as பேலன்ஸ் ஃபிகர் கிராஸ் ப்ராஃபிட். ठीक है. Then again that gross profit credited in P&L account by gross profit 135. இதை பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா after adding all the 4 75 28 15 and 12, then subtract from 135, you will get 86 as balance figure, that is to net profit. Over. Then again that net profit now added with the capital 380 plus 86 466. Already we posted drawings, less drawings, 466 minus 10 456. That's all. Okay ma, total if you add it both sides we make it 501, 5 lakh 1000, 5 lakh 1000. Okay, that's all as far as this sum concerned. Shall we move to next final sum, sum number 20 ma? Yes, listen. What's the new things in sum number 20? Suppose, let me read this. Selvam does not keep his books under double entry system. Okay. From the following, prepare trading profit and loss account and balance it as on 31st of 18. Okay. Information as on 1/1/18 and 31st of 18. Therefore, the first one is opening and the second one is closing. Then machinery, cash at bank, sundry debtors, stock, bills receivable, bank loan. புதுசாக bank loan இருக்குது, that will go to liability side. Sundry creditors. Then come to other details ma. Cash sales, cash purchases, okay, wages, advertisement, drawings, credit sales. Both cash sales and credit sales கொடுத்துக்கலாமா, ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணி போடணும். Then salaries, interest on bank loan, then additional capital, another one extra things also given here. But no such returns, anything sales or purchase return. Okay, then now come to the final. Write off depreciation of 10% on machinery. Okay, as usual. Create reserve 1% on debtors for doubtful debts. That also as usual. What we have done in the previous sums, the same way down. So that what we need here is credits, total sales, total purchases. No need to prepare either total debtors or total creditors account. Not at all needed. Leave it. Then what we need to prepare here? So opening capital is not given. So for that purpose, from the first 1/1/18 assets and liabilities, we are going to prepare one statement, as you know very well, that is opening statement of affairs to get opening capital. Okay ba? Shall we prepare this one first ma? Come. See here ma. Give the title as usual on the double side in the books of Selvam. Statement of affairs as on 1/1/18. Go through the sum. See the first value only we have to take. So machinery, cash, debtors, stock, bills receivable. Yes, the first 5 assets and the last 2 bank loan creditors liability. Bank loan creditors liability. Here other 5 are asset, as we know very well. So that if you balance this, total this first amount 2,20,000, and from that 45 plus 25 is 60 70, 220 minus 70, therefore 1,50,000 as balance figure opening capital. The answer now only one, this working notes we need and we prepared and we got opening capital 1,50,000. Then next quite easy only. As usual we are going to start final account trading profit and loss account on balance sheet. Therefore the next page la give title ma trading profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 18. The next third page la ma balance sheet. See that like that இந்த மாதிரி separate prepare it. Now so one item we are going to post it. Okay ma. So as usual right from the beginning start ma machinery. The current value 18th value only we have to take 60,000. Cash at bank 33, sundry debtors 1 lakh, stock. Wait, the first three we can post in asset side. See, asset side parma. Cash at bank, sundry debtors inner column, illama, and bills receivable 38 also inner column. Then other items, stock and sunni padichumallama, that is both we have to take opening and closing. Stock opening வந்து 45 and closing 22. Therefore opening vanduma to opening 45 and closing 22. The same 22 will be posted in asset side. See, closing stock 22 post பண்ணிக்கனா good. So that item also over. Then next ma bills receivable post பண்ணியாச்சு 28. Then next bank loan 45 and 21 syndicates. These two will be posted in left side. See, bank loan and syndicates 45 and 21. Okay ma. So that item we posted. Now come down. These cash sales and sales will go to credit side of trading account and cash purchases debit side after opening stock. Then wages trading account da. Then advertisement பாருங்க எல்லாமே போட்டுப்பான். cash purchases ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணி போடுங்க. cash sales and cash credit sales. அதே மாதிரி cash purchases and credit purchases ரெண்டையும் போட்டு பாருங்க. cash sales credit sales ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணி transfer outer column. Similarly purchase also cash purchases 8 credit purchases 52 ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணி 60 transfer to outer column. And then wages போட்டாச்சு. advertisement வந்து P&L தான். advertisement P&L debit போட்டாச்சு. அடுத்ததுமா drawings பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் கேபிட்டல் லெஸ் பண்ணுவோம். தென் அதுக்கு அடுத்தமா சேலரிஸ் அண்ட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் பேங்க் லோன் ரெண்டுமே டெபிட் P&L. சேலரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் பேங்க் லோன் 23,545 போட்டாச்சு. தட்ஸ் ஆல். அண்ட் அடிஷனல் கேபிட்டல் தட் வில் பி இன் பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட் லைபிலிட்டி இல்லைமா ஓப்பனிங் கேபிட்டல் கூட ஆட் அடிஷனல் கேபிட்டல் 150 + 20 171. தட்ஸ் ஆல். கீப் இட் நவ். And now come to adjustment ma rate of depreciation 10% on machinery and create a reserve 1% on doubtful debts on debtors. Okay ba. So machinery and debtors. See here machinery la 10% less depreciation 60,000 10% போட்டிங்கனா you will get 6,000. Therefore 60 minus 6 54. Then sundry debtors la 1 lakh minus pros for doubtful debts 1% 1,000. Therefore 1 lakh minus 1,000 99,000 transfer to outer column. Again these two don't forget depreciation and pros for doubtful debts transfer to P&L account debit side. See, depreciation 6,000 and pros for doubtful debts 1,000 post பண்ணியாச்சுமா. Then any other items, that's all we posted every items. Then now that's all. The balancing la nothing as usual. So இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா credit side just only two items the trading account la 2 + 22 2 lakh 22 and debit side la there are three items 45 + 60 105 + 6 111. Oh, that also total 111. Therefore 2 lakh 22 minus 111 the same, the rest of 50 of 1,11,000 as profit, gross profit. Okay, the same gross profit now credited P&L account. Now if you balance it add all this, I mean advertisement 7 + 23 5 + 4 5 + 6 + 1,000 இதெல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணி that total if we subtract it from 1,11,000, therefore you will get 69,000 as net profit balance figure. Okay, 69 as balance figure net profit. That's all. Now come to balance sheet. Therefore we posted opening capital and additional capital 150 + 20 and 171. Now add net profit. We have to guess these are the adjustments to be done on capital. அதனால we need ஒரு 4 to 5 6 லைன் அப்படின்னு அதை வச்சு கெஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு பேங்க் லோன் சண்டே கிரெடிட்டர்ஸ் வி போஸ்ட் இன் லாஸ்ட் காலம்ஸ். ஓகேம்மா, ஆஃப்டர் ரைட்டிங் ஓப்பனிங் கேபிட்டல் மிடில் வி ஹேவ் டு லீவ் ஒரு 5 to 6 lines. Then now add net profit 69, therefore 171 plus 69 240 less drawings 60, therefore the balance transfer outer column 180. That's all, both side. So both side, left side only 3 values, asset side 3 plus 2 5 values. If you add both side you will get 2,46,000 as total of both side. Good, very good students. So to my knowledge what I want to teach I finished. Okay, even after watching this video ma, if you find any difficult you can ask. Okay ma, and dear students, very soon suppose school going to be opened, so that all the assignments and the notes and the test given you are supposed to submit. Another copied all these things in the note. After that as usual இதெல்லாம் திரும்ப நாங்கள் யூடியூப்பில் போட்டு வர்றோம், அதையும் பாருங்கள். பிகாஸ் எஃப் யூ ஆஃப் யூ சப்போஸ் ஆர் ஆப்ஷன் இல்லை ஃபார் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ், ஃபார் தேர் பர்பஸ் ஒன்லி வி ஆர் அகெயின் போஸ்டிங் இன் யூடியூப். அதனால் go to watch this YouTube video also. Okay, above all if you find any difficult you can ring up and ask. So after that as usual, so similar to that illustration same a 19 and 20, check up 19 and 20 you can do as test and take photo and send to me. Okay ma, so keep in mind attendance and homework submission, everything is very very important. Very important. Okay, with that dear students, this is over. The other things we are going to continue in the next video. Okay, see you, bye.